So my people, Zipline is in action. And we're going across.
You Jamaica walk by. Don't make sure you're not nervous.
Alright, walk by. Stand up, steady walk. Stand up, steady walk by. Tell me if you feel anything in the foot.
You foot up here. I'm a brand new custom. When you wash it, not
yeah.
blood seed.
Yeah, my brother used to say plate cloth and ram scram. So we're going through this tunnel here, my people. Is that a tunnel? Is that yeah, so Elon Musk is going through this tunnel here. Check your nose. Yo! Too long. This is gonna break my back.
No, but I set up shop in there.
Whoa! My people, can you see anything? Hey, you sitting drop on me, look away now. Hey! There looks a poles in here.
Yeah.
Lord God.
Yeah, like I feel like that now.
Right, light off half, my people. All light off. All light off. Yeah. Me go please. Turn on the back. Turn on the back. Someone asleep? How about that? Oh yeah. Well on there. With the rest of you. Jamaica what by? Where Jamaica what by there? Come here, man. Me know you go for that backside there. What going on this one? My traveling family. Welcome to another video. And today is gonna be an epic one. My people, stay tuned and look out for the one here. It's not gonna be normal. So my people, I wonder if you want to take a good look. We are at the river. You see the river, my people? My people, we are back in Ken Village. And Captain Iro is in captain mood again. Yeah. So, my people, we're gonna be taking on hills and valleys. My people, today we are with
Zenil Vlogs.
Yes.
And YouTube. Back with Everbless TV.
Oh, you mean?
Yes.
So my people, as I asked you before, 1 year ago my people, I asked you to give Zenel your full support. I am back with him today again. And my people, I'm going to be asking of you to give Zenel your full support. Road to success.
Road to success.
That is it, my brother. So my people, Zipline is in action. And we're going across. You feel good, brother?
Yeah, man.
Until you go back, I want you to stand up and tell me how you're feeling. Alright.
So far.
Yes. A water line this? Water pipe?
Yeah.
Hey!
Put in gear.
Put in a gear, 1 gear.
Ready?
1 gear. They're going across, my people. He's pulling us across. Hey! Hey! This is a bus that we done already?
No, sir.
I just want to know. Yeah. So we're going to
we about to ask a question if I'm on.
because we are in it.
Okay.
So my people, we're going across to that tree there.
1, 2. Come, sir.
1, 2.
Again, 2.
1, 2.
Back again.
You got to get a motor for this thing.
Get a motor?
Captain.
Yep.
You're going across. Yeah? We're going to the tree. Hey! 2 more caramel dumpling. 2 more caramel dumpling. Hey! 2 more caramel dumpling. More caramel dumpling again. Hey! What do you, man? let me get out of this thing here. Because I know my legs will be wobbling when I get out. Hey! So my people, I make it over. Me want you to tell me so your foot now wobble. Alright? Alright.
No wobbling for me.
Alright, Mr. Hazard's door. Do me a favor, stand up steady now. Just stand up steady. You don't feel nothing in your foot? Be steady. No movement. You don't feel nothing? Alright? Well, I want to know, I want to get a feedback from the other guys. You're not going back?
Then we help them.
Okay. So Captain Iro, make it over with Everbless Travels and Hazard Tours. Some people. We're gonna be taking on yesterday hill, my people. Hazard Tours.
Yes, sir.
Your foot don't feel no way?
No.
Oh, Jesus. Your foot feel away there?
Fine. This is what you used to.
Okay, get used to it. So we're going across. We're going up in that hill, my people. So stay tuned and watch what we're going to show you up there today. Everblessed Travels is out here without fear. Don't fight it. Subscribe to my channel right this. Really?
Yes, this is the zipline right across the river, the Rockwood River. You see, there's no engine, right? There is no electricity.
Yes.
This is manually operated by a man who knows what he's doing.
Yes.
So you pull, and he has the power. He has the power of a motor.
Yes. And Jamaica walk by his arm.
You have the power. You Jamaica walk by. Don't make sure you're not nervous.
All right, walk by. Stand up, steady walk by. Tell me if you feel anything in the foot.
Your foot up here with me. Your foot up here with me.
Captain Harrow said no feel him. As it said no feel anything. Tubby. Wagwa. See Tubby here, man.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Yeah, man. It's another highland we are on. Yeah, man. So the team is ready to hit the hills. Some people. That's how you think I'll come down. Tubby lifestyle. And Ginger the tour guide. Yeah. My people, there's a team of us. We're on this spot of ground where it's a property with a difference. So it's a property with lots of fruit trees, my people. And as you noticed before, I've been to this spot of ground before. So you have the newer house there, you have the Haitian one there, and you have another one there. Some of the people we're walking to.
Right now we start and kick off. And this thing you draw jelly, wood. I want to be key. You know that you're right now.
Okay. Some of the people, and we are with Jamaica Walk By. And we are going to take on that hill there. Stay tuned for the epicness. A lot of history. A lot of history. What kind of mango tree is this?
You know the belly full there?
Belly full? Yeah. Oh, I see one there. Oh, what color is it? Red or yellow?
Yellow.
Okay.
You know how me love them mango, you know, they can't do right. Yeah, when they do
right. Yes. Yes. So walking through my people. Yeah, best thing that. Hey, any pine upon them pine there?
Yes, alright, come on. We have a reach pine,
Pine there we can harvest?
I don't think pine already yet still, but pine is it. Yeah, right, you know, I showed you know. Hey.
Yo, can you do this? What is that? Give me 150 volts. You see this? We are shooting down the darkness. Only for around tonight to get rid of darkness. That's it.
This is it.
Yeah, man. I wish power we are going to paper. Rat bat alone survive.
Oh, Jesus. For real. Sugar loaf?
Yeah. Look like sugar loaf.
Some of people are walking through this area. Some of people, the full team is out. Yeah, the full team is out. I never get your name in G.
Ever blessed.
Yes.
Alright, big up yourself. Yeah. Big up yourself. G, me notice you have one style. You continue if you call me Ever Blessed TV. That's not my name, sir.
Yeah.
Stop. Spoil up my name, brother.
Ever Blessed Travel. What am I supposed to name?
Yo, I mix up my name, brother.
Oh.
You make people.
Ever Blessed Travel. Alright.
You make people look for me and can't find me. When you say me, I don't
Blessed Travel.
Because I call it travel lifestyle before you, sir. And no one didn't spoil me because you did adventure first.
Yeah.
Well, at the same time, I had a problem because my name was Ever Blessed Family TV first. But Ever Blessed Family TV means in a one little box. You see, when I becomes Ever Blessed Travels, in a one big white box.
Yeah. Okay.
So all if you not talking and one bad jump out on no more, I don't have to edit out that.
Yeah. Okay.
That not say me no want bad cost.
Right.
I know that some of the Jamaica walk by car, you see me try to capture natural.
Yes, naturality I it.
It's 30 years time now when somebody else see my video.
Yeah.
And when the bad word them different, them also listen to bad word them used to cost back in the day.
Yeah, because
some word of something now you say.
See that go get to that.
I'm gonna use a custom. When you wash it, not blood seed.
Yeah, my brother used to say plate cloth and ram scram.
Oh, the man you know what yeah, old man, you Mr. Kema. Oh, him no cost bad one.
Yeah.
Be a Bengelistic organ, man.
Yes.
Move a Bengelistic organ.
Yes. Some of people taking on the journey. This epic one here. And right here, what the grass?
No man,
No, what the grass? Look here. What them grass are name? What them grass are name?
the crab grass.
The crab grass. No, look at that one. You say green and pretty.
Let me say, look how them have crab grass there, so what we have to buy it.
Oh Lord. Nice. So, but so are the highway bridge that way up there?
Yeah,
Highway road. So that's where we're going?
No, we're not so far.
That's far enough.
Oh, I'm not scared. Go over tree this one. You want some old cow over here?
Yeah. You know, they used to raise cow, but
so if they use the race cow, that means we are going to hold for ticks later.
no.
Jamaica what like? Jamaica what and make up in face when you hear me say ticks.
No man, none of them things don't fear me now, yo.
You won't go bed?
You see if I take you out, he take you out.
Jamaica what like?
Go man, you alright.
Jamaica what like? If ticks take you, no shower can help you. When one of them,
unless you be not gas.
if one of the flat ticks catch,
Them go put them my Tony a lot to them.
that bro, that sound like a one country boy for real. Some of people.
Remember me also there?
Yes.
This lie down in that bush and sleep in.
Okay. Yeah. See, so you when Jamaica right by them, then go and get a shower. That a feel little grass nice. So captain start to rock already like him now go make it.
Captain, a good captain. Hey, is he a captain? Him don't leave the ship until everybody come out. You learn that?
Some of people will taking on this journey here. This epic one. Some of people stay tuned. Whoa, but the tractor come far up the side. So, the next thing again, I make a good choice in wearing a tall pants.
Yes. I didn't give a tall pants.
I make another good choice. Whoa. So we colors man there. No man no colors. How are you talking about? So when we attack, we use a different whistle. Use the foot. Jamaica why? We have one quiz. The manager said BMW means something.
The BMW mean? BMW.
See, he said when you say your BMW foot, it means something. Why you determine your BMW foot has? Alright, some of people. Leave in the comment for me. I'm gonna be talking about this story again, and I'll be asking the question. When Jamaica walk by say him up on him BMW foot them, tell me in the comment what he mean. I'm gonna say it in the later part of the video, so I wanted to leave in the comment now as to what you think me mean. I wonder if we can add up a price or a quiz thing with up on. No, because my manager tell me.
Use my foot. When you see me move off from here,
my manager said when you say you're up on your BMW foot, it means something. All right. We continue through this forest here. In Kenya, as somebody venture into anywhere that is woody, they say that they are in the forest. So we are on another highland from Kent village. As you see, we come across a zipline there and we are climbing up through this.
Yes, man. Now come back.
But I said before that people who see mermaid always don't talk for a couple of days.
Oh yeah?
That's what I was told. We can't go on, man. No, what? But this is you walk past me.
Yeah, catch you.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, captain when you die back. Some people, whoa, Jamaica what by? Well, on the Jamaica what by? Make we do a little adventure, yeah, man. Yes, what do you mean, man? You see me?
Alright, so parrot them, and I then make them nest up.
Yeah.
When them picnic them barn,
Yeah.
they have food.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah,
Alright, so that's why I do that, you know.
yeah.
It's by later.
By next 2 hours, they close up back.
Build up,
Some of it.
A real construction worker. That's it.
Yeah,
See
man.
that there?
By
See that, my
next 2
people?
hours. Alright, so this lock up back.
Yeah.
Duck hunts.
Yeah, they work fast.
Make sure say you don't have this live side of your.
That may I tell you. Every door jam gone. Every door jam gone. Yeah. Yeah, man. Built-in closet pan wall, clothes get messed up. No joke. So my people, wow. We're going through this forest here. Whoa. I am sweating like a pig. Yeah, man. And we have here today, we have Jamaica Walk By, Hazy Video Tours, Hobby Lifestyle, and the tour guides are Captain Hiro, Ginger, and I forgot the next general name. Eh? Some people. Some of people we're going through this hill here. Whoa, ever bless. Whoa, I'm sweating like a pig here, my people. Stay tuned and watch how we'll continue with this forest here. So we can see the water run through this area all the while too. Waterway. It's a waterway. We come from up the train line.
Let's walk to it.
You have to put your knee. Go through that. Hey, ever bless.
Boy,
Oh, your back all up.
See one cave up there, sir.
what cave?
In the cool though. What? Yeah. Yo, see that the banana cave up there.
Whoa,
Where's that? See that, sir?
Captain. Take out one light out of my bag for me. One light in my bag. Take out it.
All along on the leave us a person as this.
Hey, watch your bad boy here, guys. Watch your bad boy.
One of them. I told them nothing there.
Watch your bad boy.
Yeah.
Hey, what you said?
Yeah, yeah.
Hold it.
Okay. Captain Hiro. Captain Hiro. Hold it. Come on, hold it. Don't move.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You feel like cool?
Woo! Feel like I'm firing me there. Look. A free AC I need to not free AC, brother. May I tell you? But this is a woo!
So we're going through this tunnel here, my people. It's not a tunnel, it's a culvert. It's a culvert. It's a water channel from another end. So that means there's a road above this one?
Yeah.
Is a road above this?
So folks, you see this? We're going through this tunnel. There is no rat bat. There is no vampire bat.
The way cool, huh?
Yeah. Just
Cool and nice. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go, man.
Bye bye. You have to see what's tuning here, you know?
Oh, yeah.
We are little first.
Easy.
All right. So
Long before.
Azzy, what? Bend your back, Azzy.
Bend your back, man.
Some people.
Yes,
Everyone is going through this tunnel here. Charge your heels.
I said it long.
Yo!
Too long, man. Too long.
This is gonna break my back. Boy! Guys, you're cruel to me.
Ever stuck in us, like we're everything.
I'm not sad, but you guys are cruel. Yeah, I'm feeling it in my knee. Just, I can see light. That means it's end of the tunnel. Whoa! Me bucky shot. No wicked to me, I'm not seeing all one. Some people. I made it through the tunnel.
If I reach, I say, I listen.
Yo!
Feel it.
I made it. Toby, you're so wicked. Toby, you know it was like that.
Yo, I'm not lie to him. I set up shop in there.
Whoa! Whoa! No, you know what I want to do? When I mess up the rest of my journey, my foot they get weak. Yeah. That where you going? We don't know. My people, Jamaica Walk By. These guys are crazy, you see?
Nice.
No, them crazy.
Love it.
It's a my type of one.
Whoa.
I that Mr. Man.
What can I start?
I my type of thing.
I'm just don't want to
Don't want this rotten, that rotten.
So what are they?
So you have to go walk here, sorry, yes.
Right, that's how we doing.
Oh, so that means I hit causing to make the tunnel then. What about that means that's the reason why for the tunnel?
Yeah.
Judge, you to boy the know way.
What then? But they have idea.
Yeah. Why? My people, I'm going to. Whoa. Whoa.
It's turning.
Alive! Blow, whoa! Whoa! Scramble! Train! The train, I wrong time, the train come too early. Hey! Hey! Whoa! Tunnel. Is that tunnel without shelter? No, me just say.
We up so. Yeah, we're up on the train line.
Whoa.
Everything just work.
Toby lifestyle. Me feel like say you come through the place already. You want to like a bad boy.
Before you say but never go through that tunnel.
Oh, him? Yeah. I will him go to the tunnel every time. Every time.
So,
That one never matter.
so let me ask. So the one that just came through a while ago. Let me ask you one nice little question. Toby,
First you see that one they
it told me a ask.
First,
So before you came to the one, when you look at me, say me old man. Me could man the long bending down there through the sitting. Me say Jamaica what by hey Jamaica spoil up Jamaica what by yeah?
If I bend down so long, I'm bending back so long.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we do it, man.
Yeah. Me know what me I say. So any hey wait. So what by? Wait. You when you are your friend them at terms it another way. Me no business you know.
Yeah, man. But I wish we were at term. We probably not term. We probably see him where I mean, man.
Yeah. But you don't know say what the where you ship sail the banana. You know say me never had a record you. And it pain me out.
Oh God. Let's say you have to dice the banana.
Yes.
Ginger tea.
Hey.
Ginger tea. You're not telling so we not just tear off skin off a banana and stuck it on my throat.
I bite the banana and the man say, hey, Fables, you don't do that. You broke the banana and shake.
I'm on the teeth when you do the banana. Crush it.
What?
You know what I mean?
So ain't gum though. Crush it. And gum can't bite it.
Anywhere you want to bite it, but not stuck it on your throat.
Cut and swallow.
Yeah.
Ginger tea is a good style.
They may not tell you, man. Me not tell you, man. So them things.
Like that, ginger.
Yeah. He shake you and then throw it and then throw it on him throat. So this is what I did. This is how they
Treasure rock.
no, they tore down. They tear from the top there. Wow, look up here cool though. Up here cool. After that hot tunnel there. Gosh.
But the tunnel is cool, man.
Yeah, man. But no, but after you come through the tunnel, you know, you start to breathe heavy. Because we come through it too fast. Yeah. But it was a lucky thing we come through that fast. Yes, we catch up on it. You know, say after me come through, you know, say me feel hurt. And I'm here one son, and I say, but I don't know why I didn't say it. I was distracted with the, you know, with the excitement of the other stuff.
Right.
Some people look at this beauty here. This is just beautiful. This is just a piece of what we are about to experience. So my people.
I hope they don't have a silent room.
No. So my people, if you feel like you get bored of this video, wrong time, because the epic moment is about to happen, you know. Just stay tuned and look out. Look at this mountain here. And just to think of it, my people, this place was built by slaves back then without any heavy equipment. So can you imagine how long it take to dig through this place with bare hands? I wonder how many lives lost. How many lives lost in here, my people. stay tuned because the journey of excitement just begun. That's why I'm going to step up the game a bit. Oh, we can look to the end of the tunnel. Eh? Jaja youth. My people, can you see anything? Hey, sit and drop on me, look a while now.
What is this?
Hey! No, we see the hatch. Right. When we travel, you remember I told you Jamaica white man, I see some hatch? When I travel in there, I see those hatch. Rotted. I thought I can't see my map on foot. Hey.
Alright, if you can't see no.
Jesus, have me. Allah ya tell. Rotted. Me walk near a tune, you know. Ginger. Oh, me decide that's captain.
But
they're not gonna, they might fly right through time. Captain. Hey, see, I turn up load and loader, man.
I'm in the zone. Reach already?
You could have mad. Hey, you just start walk. See what is the hatchway there? Oh, they have a hatchway on the left and on the right. My people. Hatch. You can see? You can see? Look at it. Turn the light in there for me, please. Right. You see the hatchway, my people? They made that one that. Whoa. Azzy, step it up, Azzy. We're not too far back, you know.
Run.
No, I'm not gonna run. Tommy.
Yeah.
Yeah. But me just want to stay in the midst of the crew.
What lifestyle?
Rotted. Hey. Hey.
Yeah, which is right. Turn
up. Walk in that nigga.
Alright. Never do it, man.
See one of the hatchway again?
Yeah.
Some of the hatchway there. Rotted. Water drip from above, eh?
Water drip. Like when you're cold.
Chacha youth. Some of people, who can you identify in this tunnel here? No one. Pure darkness. Some of people, you're missing out on something. We are feeling hazy inside here.
Yeah, man.
Chacha.
I 1 mile.
Just 1 mile tunnel?
1 mile tunnel is Jamaican.
And is the only one in Jamaica?
No, I think you have about.
Yeah, one more for go Flatbridge side.
A 3 panel line.
The line I don't have
No,
three.
I tallest one.
Okay, so so which one in Jamaica is the tallest?
This one.
Okay, so that's why I said this is the tallest.
And I see him from slavery days.
From slavery days.
Yeah.
It's back before that, you know.
And you have to see that more go through end up there.
Because if me not wrong,
You damn the right tree end up there.
I'm going to tell you what going because I think Jamaica railway system before America.
Yeah, man, Jamaica first have railway system, you know.
Yeah,
Toby, look at me, I get one flashlight.
Right.
Look at me, I get one flashlight.
Yeah. Oh,
Reach it? Yeah, more light.
America know about railroad.
Even water pump. Black man in
Rotted. Hey, some of people, take a look.
Like I innocent man in the road.
Oh, because they left the poles in here.
Yeah.
Lord God.
Hold on, you last box up. Yeah, like I feel like that now.
Right, light off half, my people. All light off.
That's your dark.
Yeah.
Me go pace. Turn on the back. Turn on the light. Jesus Christ.
No, ultimately I say I look like that on the machine.
Yes. Hey, Toby could have let me know my face. I'm going to say my lip. Jaja youth.
That even the man, yeah, I don't see how.
Man.
And that man, you say, yeah, in that.
Jesus have mercy. No, man. Pitch black.
And I'm
Well on there. Oh, me tell you trailer come. Me want some? No,
man.
No, yes, a wide still no.
it wide.
Yeah.
But by the time you train pass, you must get
You see part them in a while, them part, them put him manual in now.
I just see them at work. I just see them at work.
They work I go on since recently.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, go.
You can see it.
Yes, we see them, man.
Okay.
Yeah, yes.
The hand of the thing.
Oh, Mr. Light.
We see light.
When you start to like, then what's the next thing?
Yeah, man. And the Lord said, let there be light. There be light. There was light.
Can't see the end of the tunnel.
You see light out there at the end of the tunnel there.
End of the tunnel. So people, life is like this tunnel. I will go through some darkness. Yeah. Then you will see light. Yeah, man. Somebody asleep.
Somebody asleep?
How did someone come from?
How about that? 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 Ay, 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 ay!
I'm mad man this Give me that I'm mad man.
Hey, what on there? Look at that one up there. Can you see that one?
Straight through, you know?
What on there? What on there? With the rest of you? Jamaica what by? Where Jamaica what by there? Come here, man. Me know you go for that backside there. What going on there, so? What going on there? Ratty.
Nah, you're fall at
That man house, man. Don't go in there, man.
No, out there, so.
The man, relax.
Folks, you see this?
What on there?
I thought we see this in the
Nobody know me, man. Off up me.
Wait, I walk around house this night and I thought
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The man, she didn't build a house, so the front door there.
Ratty.
The front door there.
Who can climb it?
Yeah, we got soldier climbing.
Yeah, it's like
soldier climbing.
Soldier climb?
Stand behind you.
Oh, it's like a mall thing.
Yeah, so it's slippery.
Oh no, no go to Toby.
Maybe up there now.
I hope they man so I wonder if everybody river man to live.
Yeah, man.
Me, I wonder.
Some of my people wear. What are they? When you want sound?
I fall.
Oh!
Oh, yeah, shot. Me go shot off.
One.
Put that back in my bag. I want to do up your work. So we done the 1 mile quick.
Yes, man, 1 mile quick.
Yeah, 1 mile done quick. Some of people we are at the end of light. Let there be light. And there is light. Hey. Hey. Some of people. Look there. You see them people are not using. Chant at you. You see them people are not using. A beer rock. Hey, you see them right there? Drop up there now.
Yes, man.
Hey.
We need to move fast. That's what I have a landslide right there.
Yeah. Some of people. If you hear one loud sound, it's not the sound of a train. It is the sound of a fall.
So cooking spot there.
Yeah, man. Some of people take a good look. Not gonna closer to the hand, my brother. My people, they goes a fall. Let's go back that way. Yeah, some people. This is that way. Is the road. That way you're going to Spanish Town. Going to Lindsay. Toby, put back this number. Set the Zipline center. I don't know what I'm going to Zipline square. Alright.
We are coming around. But Toby little bit silent one. We and him everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
One red fruit, one some that you did yesterday, a mango tree.
Who is it?
You want mango tree, they put it up right. So I put them cut it.
Whoa. So as it turns, are you sweating like a pig? I am sweating.
I will go through AC a while.
Yeah, I was, but it because
So we didn't again.
yeah, because we come out in the heat.
Yeah.
My people is a vibe.
Never been in the water. What about?
Eh?
What kind of water with you?
The water isn't that bad there. Captain Aero.
No, the one where
We made it too, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hey, God bless.
Oi,
Where the cliff, with the train track will run go over.
it's in the back that way.
Back that way then.
Yeah, this is another mile back that way.
Oh, that made the way that.
When we come out,
You talk about the
the viaduct.
No, viaduct I saw. I'm on next to that one.
That's next door.
Yeah, next door.
Yeah.
So and we have 2 more tunnels, but they're not like this before we reach that side.
So going to that, a Bog Walk.
Yeah. So we're going to head into the town of Bog Walk now.
Right in the town.
Yes. Some of people. Stay tuned. the beauty is we continue to discover them. It's been a long walk, my people. Wow, ever blessed is tired. Trust me. These guys, yes. Whoa, I'm tired. I'm beat, my brother. Yeah. Yes.
And then we have Jamaican walk by what is the name again?
Tommy. Ginger. A tour guide.
Eh?
Tour guide. So we have 2 tour guide, 3 tour guide.
We have Ginger.
Yes.
And we have Tubby.
No, Tommy's a YouTuber.
Tubby's that what Tubby?
Tommy's lifestyle.
Tubby's lifestyle.
Yeah. So he's a YouTuber. So we couldn't. So coming soon, YouTuber. But for now, tour guide.
You just on gadget. Oh, you
Yeah.
need the gadget?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's a come man in time.
In time, we're going
University of manifesting.
we're going to ensure that it happens.
It take me a while to get my old them.
Yes.
I get my little camera one time. I mean, what kind of camera? Well, cheap camera.
Yeah.
This not good, man. Some of that's alright.
Some people. We're walking through on the straight line here, and we are heading to the town of Bog Walk. I'm sweating like a pig, my people. You know how you sweat like a pig? Yeah, man, I'm sweating right here. Jaja youth. This has been really, really, really nice. It's a vibe. So Jamaica, why? A suggestion to you, my brother. I have told Ginger and the rest of the team up here so that they are playing with money, because this is where they could have rafting daily and camp stop right there. So they start up at the bridge way up there and raft all the way through there.
And then the government
Find a way to stop it. Well, my people, we're gonna wait and see because we're gonna encourage it and see that. Me I tell you. Yes, man. Yes. Yes. And while when them don't have no one to carry, them clean the river, you know, and keep it clean. Like all this time when the dirt might them could have just loud for a little while. So this is how that you know. Oh, it's another gully that lead into the river there, yeah?
What is it?
It's another gully.
Like the hole.
There's a gully coming from the woods.
Water come from the wood.
Water will come from
And the rubbish in there.
because it wash from the woods.
Careful.
Like it's a well straight up.
No, but you understand what happened though? It come from up in the hill and carry water underneath.
It's going down river.
We turn up water, turn up.
Yeah.
Yeah, me see it. When you drive that side, yes. Yeah, inside the mash up the truck, yeah. Some of people, see a truck there, I got Spanish to the people.
When water gets soil, you get the push all in you, and the water you push off.
Some of people Jamaica walk by are getting full experience. So we're just hoping that when while we do all these walk, my brother, just hoping that we feel the people make give you justice by subscribing to our channel.
Yeah, man, and watch the videos.
And watch the videos, my people, to the end.
That's how it is.
Yeah, man. So
Sometimes if you follow it, you wonder where all the people them gone.
yes. So we still have hilly terrain here. Yeah, man. We now all back in people. We are giving everything what we are see. I lie at it. Blood seed. No. This guy scared me. Tubby, don't do that to me, my brother.
I need to make sure field track is feet.
No, I will not. Yeah.
That's why more time walk, go up and two more the train pass.
I lie. Me right. This is like 1 mile long there.
Yeah.
Go close and look. It's like a mile long. Don't go too far, don't go too far. No, brother. No. Yeah. So where are they now? They wash away?
Me no know.
They wash away. Me here say they wash away.
So we can't live in there.
Me here say they wash away.
So we can't go tell us they don't wash away.
Some people we are now in Bog Walk.
I don't know where them are.
So you can see where the vendors are in that area. So what? This is a driveway going down to the river? Ginger, is that a driveway down to the river?
Not really, but I guess.
A driveway. A car
No,
driveway.
maybe when I make the wall them down there.
Oh,
Cut the road. Basically.
okay,
And them cast up some only for concrete.
okay. Beautiful.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The Bog Walk Bridge, you know.
Yeah.
Bog Walk.
Yeah.
Call out just a breadfruit gully.
Oh, that's in Breadfruit Gully.
Yeah.
Oh, give me over there.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
One of the community there.
Oh, okay.
Bog Walk hill up there. So.
Yeah.
When I hill there.
Some of people were strolling through.
Straight out night tour.
And has the tourist say, he would do it again. And Jamaica walk by say, if not, he would go back again.
Right, you know.
He said, I go back. But you know what I noticed? I noticed those trees are kind of popular in this area.
Yeah.
Ginger?
Yeah.
What the name of that tree? It's a cotton? Right, it's a small one. You mean the duppy tree?
Yeah, don't
Yeah,
be true.
one giant one in a flat bridge, right?
Yeah, man.
When they always go.
I don't let some people keep up all for foolishness.
Fooling.
All right.
Them a work road.
All right, but then go and work.
I drive.
The money where them are use, should they use and buy some guineas?
Yeah, man, and drink.
And so guineas and stuff and drink.
Yeah, man, and go fix their life.
Jamaica, what you say?
Naturally.
Them a do, you know.
But we could have given them some advice still. But we could have given them some advice. Use the money and buy
There's a belief killer and belief cure.
belief killer. So it work for them, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
You can go on, you never remember now. So, when children time coming out, he coming out.
His name Karma. All right. So we're walking through.
But me know the walk with Jah.
Yeah, man. Jah alone.
Yeah, man.
And God is the greatest, eh?
Now who create us?
Yeah, God is the greatest.
Yeah, man.
So Mr. Hasitours,
Almighty creator.
if you believe that you're walking done, you have a next guest come because we're walking back to the car. The people start to live in this area. Nice. Fruitful too. And it's living right underneath the hills.
Yeah, right against the train line here. We got some.
Yeah.
So, you know, when you go in Jamaica, we have liberty.
Yes.
People that live
Good afternoon.
and live. Good afternoon.
Hello.
How you doing? Oh, yeah.
You don't like to talk to some YouTubers this evening? You don't like to talk with some YouTubers this evening?
No
camera
for you.
Alright, you say no camera.
All right, no problem.
No problem. Another cotton tree again. What is wrong with cotton tree in this area? What about tired of the train line?
No, I'm saying, you got the music,
Some of people, you know, ever blessed travels. And we travel in the street, and we destined to help as we travel along. And today, my people, I'm going to introduce you to. Today we are with Delroy. And my people, Delroy is in a wheelchair. And you said that your living condition is kind of okay, right?
Yeah.
But your main
help for like a motorized wheelchair that we could have moved more to go up where I live.
yes.
It's kind of difficult for me from down Bog Walk to
Yeah.
go up where I live.
Okay.
Yeah.
So suppose if somebody watch a video that I post and want to be of assistance to you, how could they reach you?
Give me number 864-1493. That's my number.
Right.
Yeah.
And you are in the Bog Walk area.
Yeah, man.
And you always answer your phone.
Yeah, man.
Some of people I'm gonna be asking of you to do me the honors and to if you can reach out and assist you again.
Delroy Jackson.
And assist Delroy Jackson. I'm gonna be asking of my people to please assist him. And that's where it from them. So my brother.
Yeah.
For all the persons that watch Everest Travel, I'm just hoping that someone reach out and give you the call.
Yeah.
And my people, if you call Delroy and you don't get through to him, you can call Everest Travels and Everest Travels will do the honors for you.
Yeah.
Big up yourself,
Yeah,
brother.
man, respect.
Wish you all the best, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Guidance, man.
Some of people were in Bog Walk and the team is hanging out right there. My people, my traveling family, like, share and subscribe to Everblessed Travels as I showcase in and around Jamaica. Peace out. So that was my people. It is sitting right there on the hillside. Oh, there was a nice play field there. Wow. And the road going all the way there. Back that side. Yeah. And we are looking into Bog Walk. The juicy beef is in the distance there. And I have a place to get water to cool down, dehydrate. And this river, wow, it's another river, my people. And this one runs through and go into the gorge. Nice, yeah. Wow, this one high up though. Rockstone. Man, this step way up in the hill. Not the here. Yeah. I go up on this side. And they go cross right there. And they go that way. Go that way to the gorge. Yeah. And there's another river back that side. That comes into, wow. So this is one of the river that goes in, and one come from one and another one come from back Georgia side, come into the gorge, come into, oh, and we are now what this the train station here in Spanish Town in Bog Walk, my people. So we do a lot of walking today, and today we walk with Hazy Video Tours, Jamaica Walk By, and Tubby Lifestyle. So my people, I'm gonna be asking if you please like, share and subscribe to all those channels. Yeah man, so I think come down. Wow, ever blessed is tired, my people. Really tired. We've done a lot of walk. So I'm gonna be asking for maybe don't fight it and subscribe to the channels right this one. All of the channels, my people, that I make mention of. And this is the railway. Yeah. And that's the railway station, my people. That's the railway station there. So I am assuming that the train goes one direction and come another direction. And that way take you to Enid Bennett High School. That way. Wow, and this is the train station here. Now as the tourist is tired, my people, he's taking his whole time to come. My traveling people, my people, thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much, my people, for journeying with me thus far. This video, my people, will come to an end from the train station here in Bog Walk. Ever Blessed is saying thank you so long, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.